In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Exness login problems. Now, if you're currently on the login page for Exness and you're having trouble signing into your account, here's what you can do. I'm going to share some fixes and tips with you, which you can implement, and then hopefully your issue is going to get fixed. So the very first thing you must check is if you're connected to internet. So go to the bottom over here in your taskbar, and then over here on the right, you can then go ahead and check if you're successfully connected to Wi-Fi or of course internet. If you are not, then make sure you actually sign in or of course connect to an internet so you'll be able to sign in. After you do that, go ahead and try signing in, because that will fix your issue. If that's not the problem, maybe you have like a VPN or you're using something else. So if you have like a VPN on or some firewalls, make sure you disable those and actually go onto your basic internet without a VPN. That could also fix your issue. But then there's some other things you can do physically over here inside of the website to actually fix your issue. What I would first do is just try restarting your browser. So close this down and you can just restart the browser, open it again, and come back to your Exness login page. You could also go and try clearing your cookies and of course all the cache and stuff like that. So just go to the top left here, click on the view site information, go to cookies and site data, and just go and click on manage on device site data and just delete all of these over here. So click on these delete buttons, and then after you do it, you'll be able to refresh the website, and hopefully that's going to fix it. One more issue that could also be happening to you is that when you try to put in your email address and the password, it's not working. It may be because you actually have to sign in with Google and you used Google to sign in. So that's what I would recommend. Go and use Google over here. So click on Google, select your account, and then try signing in with your email from there, because that may work for you. And then once you come into your account, once you sign in, go and reset the password. So you actually have the password now and you know which one it is. And of course, you'll be able to later sign in with email and password. That's the next thing that could be the issue. But of course, it also could be that you have changed the password or simply forgot it. So if you forgot the password, what you have to do is click on I forgot my password and then type in the email address you actually use to sign into your account. Okay, now you're gonna have to know this, otherwise it's gonna be hard. Once you do this, click on continue. And then from here, you want to go and, of course, find the code from Exness called password reset in your email inbox, paste it in here, and then from here, you can set a new password which has to meet these criteria, and then go and confirm it, just to retype it again, and then click on change password, okay? That's going to change your password, then you can go and sign in with your email and the newly created password. So that's kind of the last tip I wanted to give you here. These are basically all the things you can do. But if you, for example, don't even know the email, then you can just go through your emails if you use multiple addresses and see which of those have Exness in history. Likely, those are going to be the emails where basically you've signed in before to Exness, and that's the email you likely have to use, okay? So those are kind of all the ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.